Hey everyone, Matt King with the King Piers team, out here with another video showcase of the nation's very best engineering sound foundation repair. If you'd like to see more, we highly encourage you to visit us over on our YouTube and Facebook channels. If you haven't visited before, just search for King Piers LLC, and while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. We are up here in kind of the North Kansas City area. This is a 3-pier installation project. We're getting started out here this morning. One of those is going to be going right in the middle here between the front garage doors, and then the other two, which we are getting in the process of starting the excavation on today, are going to be going under the footing on the south side of the house. So we're going to have one on the corner and then one kind of right in that area. So you can see the cracking right here, and that is what we are going to be aiming to get cinched back up once we get the piers installed. So stay tuned for more updates as we roll right along here. King Piers out here in Kansas City, 816-288-4373. You can also go to our website, kingpiers.com, and don't forget you can always check us out on YouTube and Facebook. If you haven't searched for King Piers before on there, just search for King Piers LLC. And again, while you're there, we'd really appreciate it if you left a like and a subscribe. Thank you.